All right, Lance here at Mecum Houston. This whole row of bikes, including the vintage ATV, the three-wheeler down there, sold today, this morning. I really wanted to catch the morning auction because I was wanting to bid on at least two of these. But let's take a look at these 69s. I believe it's out of one person's collection. Beautifully done. Chrome chain guard, rear fender there. Awesome. Let's see here. On the odometer, 01. So obviously restored, turned back, but beautifully restored. 3-speed, 50cc, and it's titled. Rarely do these things come up titled. Super nice. So again, that's a 69 Z50. These have went up extraordinary in value. I don't know what these went for. It doesn't say on the ticket, but I'd say anywhere from 3 to 5 in that gap there. I'll show you the other one. It's a little bit less nice than this one, but still super nice. I don't know if this other one's been restored or not. Let's take a look. It's a blue one. It's also a 69. Both of them went no reserve today, so it looks like it's as perfect as the other one, all but a little nick right here, which you can just touch up, you know, no big deal. Looks like this one's been rode a little bit. Seat is perfect. Man, these are nice bikes. Same treatment done. Chrome rear fender, chrome front fender, chrome chain guard. Everything's new on it. Everything. Even if they're not new, still super reliable. Man, you can't kill these things. You can't kill a mini trail. Super awesome.